Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Hi students, today we are going to study about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So what are the specific angles here? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. We measure in degrees: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. What are the trigonometric ratios? Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. Means we have to find the values of sine 0 degrees, cos 30 degrees, tan 45, secant 60. Okay, so we have to find the values of these some specific angles, right? So now let us find that 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So we take some specific angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So to prove this, take equilateral triangle. Take equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle, and here draw one perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is 90 degrees, right? So you know that in equilateral triangle all angles are equal, that is 60 degrees, 60, and this is also 60. So 30 degrees. Why? Because in equilateral triangle altitude, median, angular bisector or perpendicular bisector all are same. So AD is altitude, also angular bisector. That's why 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Now it is a right angle triangle. ABD is a right angle triangle. Right. In triangle ABD. Why? Because angle D is 90 degrees. Angle D is 90 degrees. Here we have to find the value of sine 30, cos 30, tan 30, so on, and sine 60, cos 60, tan 60, so on, these values. How to find that? So to find the value of sine, cos, tan, we need the sides. We know that in equilateral triangle all angles and sides equal. So let us take, this is 2a. AB is 2a units, BC also 2a units, AC also 2a units. Okay, units. So what about BD? A, and this is also A. Why? Because AD is a median and also altitude and also angular bisector. So now in triangle ABD, so I am taking this one, angle B, 60 degrees. Suppose if you take sine 60 degrees, sine 60 degrees, what is the ratio? Sine ratio, opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side with respect to this angle? AD. AD by hypotenuse is AB. Right. Here you may ask one doubt. We don't know length of the side AD. We don't know AD. Then how to find AD? Using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. AB is how much? 2A. So 2A whole square is equal to AD. We don't know. We have to find that. Plus BD is A square. BD value is A. So BD square, A square. 2A square, 4A square. Okay. So 4A square is equal to AD square plus A square. A square transpose here. 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. That is 3A square is equal to AD square. So AD is equal to root 3A. AD is equal to root 3 A. We got A value. Now substitute in this. Sine 60 degrees is equal to, what is that? AD. AD is how much? Root 3A by AB is how much? 2A. AA get cancelled, we get root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degrees value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degrees, root 3 by 2. What about cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 degrees. With respect to this angle, cos ratio is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? BD. BD by AB. What is BD? A by 2. So cancel, that is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Tan 60 degrees, right? So tan 60 degrees with respect to this angle, AD is the opposite side and BD is the adjacent side. So AD by BD, that is root 3A divided by A cancel, that is root 3. Tan 60 degrees value is root 3. And the next one, secant 60 degrees. Secant 60 degrees. Here with respect to this angle, what is the secant ratio? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AB, adjacent is BD. So that is AB by BD. AB by BD. AB is how much? 2. A and BD is A. So cancel, that is 2 units. So that is ratio is 2. This is not units. Secant 60 degrees value is 2. There is no units for ratios. Next, cosec 60 degrees. Hypotenuse by opposite. What is opposite? AD. That is 2 by root 3 A cancel, that is 2 by root 3. Okay, or once you get the values of sine, cos, tan, so we can find the remaining 3 ratios. So take cot 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees. What is the cot 60 degrees? Adjacent side by opposite side, that is BD by AD. What is BD? A. Divided by AD is root 3A. So A cancel, that is 1 by root 3. Once you get these 3 values, these are all reciprocals of tan, cos and sine. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, cosec is the reciprocal of sine and secant is the reciprocal of cos. See here, cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. So what we got? Secant 60 degrees 2. And sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Then cosec 60 degrees 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of that. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. What about cos 60 degrees? 1 by root 3. Reciprocal to each other. That is, we can write that sine 60 degrees is equal to 1 by cosec 60 degrees. And cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by secant 60 degrees. And tan 60 degrees is equal to 1 by cot 60 degrees. Okay. So similarly, cosec 60 degrees is equal to, we can write as cosec 60 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 60 degrees. See here, cosec 60 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 60 degrees. Secant 60 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 60 degrees. Reciprocal. Okay. Note down this. Next, let us take 30 degrees. This angle. Okay. So, in any triangle, here both are similar triangles. See here. So, let us take in triangle ABD. In this triangle, in triangle ABD, I am taking that. So angle D is 90 degrees. So I am taking now this angle. So sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. So with respect to this angle, what is the opposite side? BD. So BD by AB. So BD is A units divided by AB is 2A. So AA cancel, that is 1 by 2. Sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. and cos 30 degrees with respect to this angle. This is the adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB. So AD is how much? Root 3A by 2A. A cancel, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2. No need to by heart these values. Okay, so tan 30 degrees, right? Tan 30 degrees, opposite side by adjacent side, that is BD by AD. So A by root 3A, BD value is A, AD is root 3A, A cancel, that is 1 by root 3. And cot 30 degrees, adjacent side by opposite side, that is AD by BD, root 3A by A cancel, that is root 3. Secant 60 degrees. So hypotenuse by adjacent side, AB by AD, AB is how much? 2A by root 3A. So cancel, that is 2 by root 3. This is secant 30 degrees. And next, cosec 30 degrees. Hypotenuse by opposite, that is AB by BD. So hypotenuse AB and BD is opposite. So that is 2A by A cancel, that is 2 units. So now these are the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3, cot 30 degrees root 3, secant 30 degrees 2 by root 3, cosec 30 degrees is 2. See here, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cosec 30 is 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, and cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. What about secant 30 degrees? 2 by root 3, reciprocal of cos. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3, so cot 30 degrees is root 3, reciprocal. See here, 1 by root 3 and root 3 both are reciprocal. Okay, so note down this. Next, trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees, angle 45. So to find sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, so let us take right angled isosceles triangle. So one angle is 90 degrees. Let us take B, A and C. Right angled isosceles triangle means two sides must be equal. Okay, so what about hypotenuse? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is A square plus A square, 2A square. So that is root 2A. AC value is root 2A. This is root 2A. Right. So now, so this is 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Right angle isosceles triangle means, so two angles are equal, then opposite sides also must be equal. 45, 45, this is 90. Right. So now take any, both angles are equal. So you can take angle A or angle C. Right. So sin 45 degrees, sin 45. What is the sin ratio? Keep in mind that opposite side by hypotenuse. So either you can take this one or this one, both are same. So I am taking this one. So opposite side is BC by, and here I am taking the root A with respect to root A. Don't get confused here, you can take with respect to root C. Both angles are same. So this is with respect to root AC, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AB. So BC is how much? A. And AB is root 2A. So cancel, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees. Okay, cos 45 degrees is adjacent side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. That is A by root 2A. A cancel, that is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Right. Even tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees. Opposite side by adjacent side. BC by AB. BC is how much? A. AB also A. AA, that is 1. tan 45 degrees value is 1, and I am writing directly cot 45 means cot 45 is 1 by tan 45. So 1 by 1, that is 1. Tan for cot 45 degrees value is 1. Secant 45, 1 by cos 45 degrees, that is 1 by root 2, nothing but root 2. Okay, and cosec 45 degrees, 1 by sin 45 degrees, that is 1 by root 2, that is also root 2. Okay, these are the trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degrees. So now trigonometric ratios of remaining two angles 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So look here, this is very important. So everyone knows that sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1, but how? See here, in any right angle triangle, I am taking that right angle triangle A, B, C. Here angle B is how much? 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. What about sum of remaining two angles is 90 degrees? Means angle A and angle C are acute angles. Acute angles. So here suppose I am taking that angle A. If angle A increases, what happens? Angle C decreases. If angle A increases, then what happens? Angle C decreases. Right? Suppose if it is increasing, then what will happen? The diagram will become like this. Okay, so here first initially it was like this. This is A, and next A dash, this is B, and this is C as usual. Right? See here, angle C, first this one is angle C, next to this one. Angle C is decreasing, angle A is increasing. Now next step, what happens? Suppose it comes here. This is 90. Okay, so here this is first case, this is second case, this is third case. In third case, what happens? Angle C is decreasing, angle A is increasing. This is A double dash. See, while angle A is increasing, angle C is decreasing. So finally at one place what happens? This is B and this is only A, and here C. For your understanding, I will write very closely like this. Okay, means angle C tends to 0 degrees and angle A tends to 90 degrees. Okay, so when angle A increases, when angle A is increases, angle C decreases. Angle C tends to 0 and angle A tends to 90 degrees. So what happens? First let us take which one? 90 degrees. Right. So sine 90 degrees. Angle A tends to 90 degrees I wrote, means what is the meaning that? So sum of the any two angles cannot be 180 degrees in any triangle. Sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. This case is not possible, our assumption. If A tends to 90 degrees, what happens? C tends to 0 degrees. So sine 90 degrees, sine 90 degrees. This is A, angle A is 90 degrees. So right. So what is that? Here from this you can write hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? Tell me, what is the hypotenuse side here? So here a hypotenuse is AC and opposite is BC and adjacent is AB. Adjacent is AB. This is with respect to angle A. With respect to angle A, keep in mind that with respect to angle A, what is the hypotenuse? AC, that is common, and opposite side is BC with respect to angle A, and adjacent side is AB. Here what happens? Adjacent side 0. Adjacent side is 0 in this case. In this case, when angle A is 90 degrees, AB is 0 and BC is equal to AC. BC is equal to AC. Keep in mind that when this one A and B coincide, when A and B coincide, what happens? AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC and AB is equal to 0. After this one like this. A and B is here only and C is like this. When angle A is increasing, means that is equal to 90 degrees and angle C is 0 degrees. So sine 90 degrees. What is the sine 90 degrees? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? BC. Hypotenuse is AC. What is BC is equal to AC? So AC by AC, that is 1. Sine 90 degrees value is 1. Similarly, cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 adjacent side AB. AB by AC. AB is 0. 0 by AC. So 0. Right. So cos 90 degrees value is 0. And tan 90 degrees. Tan 90. What is the tan 90? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite here? BC by AB. So BC by 0, that is undefined. Undefined. Any number by 0 is undefined. So tan 90 degrees value is undefined. And cot 90. Cot 90 adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? AB. By opposite is BC. AB is 0 by BC. 0. So cot 90 is 0 degrees. Similarly, here I am writing secant 90 degrees. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is BC by adjacent AB. So BC by 0, that is undefined. Okay, undefined. Secant 90 degrees is undefined. Similarly, cosec 90 degrees, I am writing here. Cosec 90 degrees. Cosec 90 degrees is hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? AC by AB. AC by AB. What is that opposite side? Opposite side is BC. AC by BC. That is AC by AC. That is 1. That is 1. Cosec 90 degrees value is 1. Right. Sin 90 is 1. So here you have to keep in mind that when angle C tends to 0, angle A tends to 90 degrees. Note down this. Now let us take with respect to angle C. When angle C is 0 degrees, assume that these are assumptions only. When angle C tends to 0, what happens with respect to this angle? With respect to angle C, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is AB. Opposite side is AB. What is adjacent side? Adjacent side is BC. And the hypotenuse is AC. For your understanding, I am writing clearly with respect to angle C. Here you cannot say with respect to angle C, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Here what happens? AB is 0. That is AB is 0 because A and B are coincide. Angle A is equal to angle B 90 degrees. Right. So now sine 0 degrees. Why? Because angle C is 0 degrees. Sine 0. With respect to this angle, opposite side AB by AC, that is 0 by AC, 0. Sine 0 degrees is 0. Cos 0, BC by AC, that is BC is equal to AC as usual. Both are equal. So AC by AC I am writing, that is 1. Cos 0 degrees is 1. And next, tan 0 degrees. Tan 0 degrees. Opposite by adjacent AB by BC, that is AB value is 0, 0 by BC 0, tan 0 degrees is 0 and cot 0 degrees, reciprocal of this 1 by 0, that is BC by 0, that is undefined. Okay, and secant 0 degrees, secant reciprocal of this AC by BC. that is AC by AC 1. AC by AC is 1. And cosec 0 degrees. Cosec 0 degrees. How much cosec 0 degrees is? Reciprocal of sine. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. AC by AB. AC by AB. Right. AC by AB value is 0. That is undefined. Undefined. Okay. These are the trigonometric ratios of angle 0 degree. Sine 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. Tan 0, 0. Cot 0, undefined. Secant 0, 1. Cosec 0 is undefined. Okay. Note down this. See, whatever the values we found till now, we can write in one table. See here, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. So we know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Right. So sine 0 degrees, what we got? 0. Sine 30 degrees, 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2, 1. See here, we should know only one sign. Remaining all we can write. So cos you write from this side. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Over. Now tan means, in first class I said that tan means sine by cos. Means these two. Division of these two. 0 by 1. 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, root 3. And 1 by 0 is undefined. Very easy to remember, only sign you should know that. Now cot, you write from reverse order of tan, undefined. And this one is root 3, and this is 1, and 1 by root 3, and this is 0. Within 1 minute you can write that. Secant. Secant is reciprocal of cos. Secant is the reciprocal of cos means, so 1 by 1, 1. Reverse of this. Reverse of cos. Root 3 by 2 is there. So you have to write 2 by root 3. Here 1 by root 2 is there. Root 2. 1 by 2, 2. And 1 by 0, undefined. Undefined. Similarly, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So reciprocal of this one. So 0 is there. 1 by 0, undefined. 1 by 2 is there. 2. 1 by root 2 is there. Root 2. Root 3 by 2 is there. 2 by root 3. And this is 1. Okay, simple. So these are the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We can solve sums based on these values. Note down this. Let us take one sum based on trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Based on those values, we can evaluate 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Simple one. What we have to do, we have to substitute the values. You have to remember those values. 2 tan 45 degrees value is 1 square plus cos 30 degrees value. What is the cos 30 degrees value? Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 degrees. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 60 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees. Right. So 2 into 1 square is 1 plus root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square we can cancel, or you simplify one more step. Root 3 whole square is 3, 2 square is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3 and 2 square is 4. So now we can cancel these 2 and 2 into 1, 2. Answer is 2. Okay. So simple, they may ask for 1 mark. Note down this. So let us take one more example. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by root 3, and that sum of these two angles a plus b is greater than 0 and less than or equal 90 degrees, means acute angles, and angle a must be greater than angle b. This is very important. When we write that, you have to write that angle a must be greater than angle b. Find a and b. Okay, so here first you write what is given condition. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan A plus B is root 3. Right. We know that root 3 nothing but how much? Tan 60 degrees. So tan A plus B is equal to tan 60 degrees. So both sides ratios are same on both sides, see tan and tan. So A plus B must be equal to 60 degrees. A plus B must be equal to 60 degrees. So let us take this is equation 1. Why A plus B is equal to 60 degrees? Both sides ratios are same. When both are equal, when A plus B must be equal to 60 degrees. And next, tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3 means tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So now A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. This is equation 2. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2 means either you can add or subtract. Add 1 and 2. What will happen if you add A plus B plus A minus B is equal to 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Adding both. So B and B cancel. 2A is equal to 90 degrees. 2A is equal to 90 degrees. So A is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degrees. A is equal to 45 degrees. And substitute A value in equation 1 or 2. Substitute A value in 1 or 2. So A plus B is, I am taking first one, A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. What is A value? 45 plus B is equal to 60 degrees. So B is equal to 60, this plus 45 transpose there, minus 45. How much? 15 degrees. B value is 15, A value is 45. We got it. A is greater than B. A 45, B is 15. Like this we can solve the number of sums based on these values. Okay. So each and every student, you should know all the values, sine 32 and cosec 90 degrees. Okay. Note down this.